Have you ever crossed paths with someone and felt that it wasn't just a coincidence? As if the universe conspired for that encounter, and that, even in silence, something much bigger was being revealed there? Today, the angels want to talk to you about it. About that man. The one who appeared in your life almost imperceptibly, but somehow, he has taken up residence in your thoughts. What you may not know yet is that this encounter had a purpose. And more, you are already affecting him in a way that he hasn't fully understood yet. The angels say that there's something he feels for you, but he still can't admit it. Not to you. Not even to himself. And it's not due to a lack of feelings. It's the opposite. It's because what he feels is growing too fast. Too strong. This man, who on the outside appears confident, rational and in control, is being confronted by something he's never experienced before, a connection that defies explanation. He tries to carry on with his life as if nothing happened. But every time he tries to forget you, he remembers you even more. The angels show me that he relives the conversations you've had. He recalls gestures, details, even the sound of your laughter. And when he least expects it, there you are again, present in his thoughts. But here's the most delicate point. There's something inside him that prevents him from fully opening up. An old fear. Perhaps a pain he hasn't healed yet. Maybe the trauma from a past relationship. Or even the belief that he doesn't deserve to feel all of this again. He questions whether you are real. Whether someone with your light, your presence, and your authenticity can genuinely be available to him. And that's where the internal conflict begins. The angels reveal that this man carries an armor, an emotional shield he has built over the years. And that armor has protected him. But it has also isolated him. He has distanced himself from anything that seemed like vulnerability. But now with you, all of that is being challenged. You have something that breaks through defenses. Your energy, your devotion, the way you look at him, are opening up spaces that he swore he had closed off forever. And even though he still tries to pretend indifference, the angels say, his heart is no longer in control. The feelings have already grown. The seed has already sprouted. But why won't he admit it? Because acknowledging what he feels for you would mean he has to change. It would mean looking at parts of himself that he has avoided for so long. It would mean risking vulnerability and getting hurt. It would mean letting go of pride, excuses, and fear. And that still feels far too scary for him. So, you may notice contradictory behaviors. Getting closer and then pulling away. Sweet words followed by silence. Intense gazes that, the next moment, avoid contact. It's not about you. It's about him. About what's awakening inside him. And about the time he needs to accept it. But here's the most important part. This man can no longer get you out of his mind. And what he still can't admit will soon come to the surface. Now, close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. And feel this truth that the angels want you to receive. You didn't cross his path by chance. You were sent. Your unique way, your sensitivity, your strength and vulnerability, came to teach him something he has never experienced. You are a mirror. You are healing. You are the answer. And even if he still resists, what's coming is inevitable. Because when one soul recognizes another, there's no turning back. And now, if you felt in your heart that this message was meant for you, write in the comments, I acknowledge this connection. This is your sign. The angels are preparing something. And he, that man, will soon realize that you are not just anyone. You are the person he can no longer deny. But there's something the angels want you to understand right now. His silence, his reluctance to admit what he feels, is not rejection. It's fear. A fear as great as the love he's trying to hide. This man has been through experiences that taught him that intense feelings are dangerous. That falling too hard means losing control. That love is risking suffering. So every time his heart beats faster for you, his mind screams, be careful. But do you know what's happening now? His heart is winning this battle. And the angels show that, even if he doesn't admit it out loud, he has already started to move in your direction. He has been looking for you on social media. He's been asking about you, even if indirectly. He's chosen to be where he might, even if unintentionally, run into you again. And more than that, he has been feeling you. It's as if your presence is with him. He misses something that he may not have fully experienced with you. But the energy is there. Alive. Present. Inexplicable. And this is the part that the angels want you to listen to carefully. You've awakened in him the desire to experience something real. Something beyond games. Beyond appearances. You've made him want to take off his armor. Not because you demanded it, but because, for the first time, he feels it's worth it. Maybe he still doesn't know how to do that. Maybe he's still dealing with insecurities, with the fear of being rejected, of not being good enough for you. But he has already started to imagine a we. And when a man starts to envision a life with you, it's because something deep has already happened. At this moment, the angels are whispering in his ear. They are guiding situations, encounters, and revelations so that he can no longer escape what he feels. And soon, something will happen that will force him to face it head-on. It could be a dream, a conversation with someone, an unexpected event. But it will be like a snap. And from that moment on, he won't be able to hide from himself anymore. He will have to choose. And when that moment arrives, the angels want you to be prepared, with an open heart, with clarity about what you want to experience. Because, yes, this connection is real. But that doesn't mean you need to wait in silence. It simply means you recognize the value of what you share, and you're ready to live it truthfully. Now, let me ask you something that only you can answer honestly. Are you ready to be truly loved? Because that's what's coming your way. This man will, indeed, open up. He will confess his feelings. And when that happens, he won't just say, "I like you." He will reveal to you that he tried everything to resist, and that he couldn't. And it's in that instant that you will realize, you didn't need to prove yourself, nor chase after him, nor beg for attention. You just needed to be yourself. You are already the answer that his heart has been searching for. And now, if you've come this far and felt that all this resonates with you, the angels are asking me to tell you something very important. From this moment on, you can decide to open the door for this love to enter. And the most powerful way to do that is simple. Right now in the comments, I accept to live this truth. This is not just a phrase. It's a call. It's an energetic seal. It's the permission the universe needed to accelerate this reunion. Because the time of waiting is coming to an end. And the angels are already preparing the stage. All you need to do is trust. Want to know the most curious thing about all this? Even without him saying a single word, his body is already speaking. The angels show signs that he can no longer hide. He gets nervous around you. His voice falters. His gaze loses focus. His hands don't know where to go. As if your mere glance is dismantling him. He looks for ways to maintain contact, even with silly excuses. A message, a like, a conversation that could have ended, but he keeps reaching out. And when someone talks about you, he listens differently. He tries to hide it, but his eyes betray him. Because you, even if you don't know it yet, already hold a special place in his heart. And here comes a revelation that the angels have given me for you. There is a specific moment, very soon, when he will break the silence. It might start with a simple phrase, something that seems unimportant. But what he's really trying to say there is, I can't pretend anymore. And when that happens, you will remember this message. You will recall every sign, every hesitation, every restrained attempt. And it will all make sense. But the angels want you to know something very important. You don't have to prepare to be loved. You already are love. You are already enough. This man won't complete you, because you are already whole. But he will add to your life. He will build alongside you. And more than that, he will want to learn with you how to love in a way that doesn't hurt, diminish, or abandon. The angels show me that you have a beautiful, generous heart, but it has been wounded by people who didn't know how to appreciate it. People who confused your giving nature with weakness, who used your sensitivity as an excuse to make you doubt yourself. But with this man, it will be different. Because even if it takes a little longer, when he finally embraces his feelings, it will be with honesty. No games. No masks. He will look into your eyes and say that he tried to resist. But now he knows, you are the place where his heart wants to rest. And when that happens, everything that seemed confusing will become clear. Everything that hurt will begin to heal. And you will understand why you had to wait so long. Because what the angels are preparing is grand. It is sacred. It is deserved. And now I ask you, with all the love that this message carries, breathe deeply. Place your hand on your heart. And say quietly, I allow myself to be loved genuinely. This is your energetic password for what lies ahead. And if you feel in your heart that this is the right moment, then the angels are already at work. Get ready, dear soul. The next conversation between you two will be different. More genuine. Braver. More connected to what already vibrates in the background of the invisible. And when this man finally admits his feelings, you will know, it has always been you. But before that moment arrives, the angels have one request for you. Take care of your light. You have a rare energy. The kind that doesn't need effort to shine. It's your presence that transforms environments. It's your gaze that welcomes. It's your silence that heals. And it's exactly this light that awakens something in him. Something he has never felt for anyone. And because of that, he still doesn't know how to handle it. So until he is ready to open up, the angels ask that you continue being you. Don't shrink your essence to fit into his timeline. Don't hide your feelings to avoid scaring him away. Don't lose yourself trying to be the ideal woman, when in fact the real woman you already are is everything he is looking for. This wait, no matter how silent, is sacred. It is shaping something within both of you. It is creating space for a love that will not be half-hearted. It will be whole, present, assured. And when this love manifests, you won't have any doubts. It will come with clarity, with truth, with presence, without the need to test, force, or chase. Because, dear soul, emotionally available men know what they want. And when he is ready, and he will come to you with everything he has. Without fear, without doubts. And you will recognize in his eyes what the angels have already revealed here, that he tried to resist. But your light won. And in that instant, a new cycle will begin. A time of calm but deep love. Of true partnership. Of plans that come from the heart. Of shared conversations and silence held together. But until then, trust. The angels are organizing everything. And even if the scene seems still, behind the curtains of the unseen, everything is in motion. And if you've made it this far, with your heart racing and your eyes perhaps a bit misty, know this, it's not a coincidence. It's confirmation. You felt it because it's real. And what's real always finds a way to happen. Now, tell me in the comments, I trust in the angels' timing. Because when you declare that, you align with the divine flow. And the universe understands, you are ready. And it, even in silence, is also getting there. Dear soul, the angels are now showing me something even deeper. This man is undergoing a process of spiritual awakening. And it has everything to do with you. You were the trigger. Your presence was the turning point. It was as if, upon meeting you, he saw a new dimension of life. A dimension that goes beyond the rational, the control, the logic. With you he felt. And that scared him. Because feeling for him has always been something dangerous. But now something inside him is breaking, and at the same time, reconstructing. The angels say that in the coming days, he might start having dreams about you. Hearing songs that remind him of you. Seeing signs, repeated numbers, phrases that seem like direct messages. And he will begin to realize, this isn't just about you. It's about him too. It's about who he is becoming alongside you, even from a distance. This connection is spiritual. It comes from past lives. It has a mission. And you know this. That's why the angels want you to care for not just your heart, but also your energy. Nurture your faith. Meditate, pray, take deep breaths. Take care of your body, your mind, your soul. You are being prepared for something beautiful, something grand. And this man, he is finally drawing closer to the courage to admit, I have felt something for you from the very beginning. And no matter how hard I've tried, I couldn't forget. That moment will arrive. And when it does, it won't just be a new beginning. It will be a rebirth. For him. For you. For both of you. And with each day, with every step, the angels will be guiding you. Nothing was in vain. Not the silences. Not the longings. Not the doubts. All of this was the fertile ground where this true love is about to bloom. Embrace it in your heart. And if this message resonates with you, declare now, I accept this love with gratitude. Because this simple act of acceptance activates the next chapter in your story. And now, take a deep breath. Feel the silence between the words. This silence speaks too. It tells you that the time has come. You are not here by chance. This message found you because your soul is ready for what comes next. You are closer than ever to experiencing the love you've waited for across many lifetimes. And nothing, absolutely nothing, can prevent what heaven has already written for your heart. The angels, right at this moment, are setting the stage for this reunion. And the only thing you need to do is to stay connected, present, open. Because when this man finally declares his feelings, and he will, you will feel that everything makes sense. Every tear, every wait, every night you prayed for a sign. And today, this is the sign. If you felt this message was for you, if every word resonated in your heart, then the angels are asking for just one thing: don't miss the next call. What comes after this will be even more revealing, even stronger. And to continue receiving each new message straight from the spiritual realm, sign up now. Yes, now. Not on a whim. But because your intuition is telling you, this is it. This is for me. You are not alone. And you never were. Spirituality has already paved this path. Everything you need is already on its way. Now, with a light heart, strong and full of faith, write in the comments, I choose this love. And get ready, because what comes next goes beyond everything you imagined.